want to not be on my I can't really see where did I miss ex-strippers.
Okay, so starting off, you're gonna need a couple brushes. A fluffy blending brush, a tapered blending brush, more tapered blending brush, a crease brush, a packing brush, highlighting brush for gel liner. Fluffy brush, we're gonna go into senior year. This is more of a warm toned, so the idea is to create more of a transition. With my feather tapered brush, and I'm gonna go into your Sorta Beautiful. Don't worry if it's a little messy, we will clean it up with the cut crease, so that fixes itself. I'm gonna mix two colors. I'm gonna mix Paper Cut and Your Everything. For eyeshadow primer, I am using the Danessa Myricks Beauty and the shade Nude 1. To start my cut crease, I start with my inner corner, just taking the whole tip of the brush. Now you can create stamps like so, and then connect. You can do one swift motion, like that, or you can tap and do little sections by section. I do a mixture of it all. Just really looking at how high I'm going based on my actual eyelid and comparing it to the other side. That I've cut my crease, I'm just taking whatever is left over on my brush of Paper Cut mixed with Your Everything. Now with our packing brush, we're going to take our first shimmer, which is going to be Mood Control. Go into Trade Secrets, Bloodsuckers on the outer part. I'm going to take my black gel liner and I'm going to tighten a black eyeliner. Under eye, I kind of want to give emphasis also. If I choose only dark colors, it's gonna cause it to just make my eyes look smaller, so I'm gonna just go in with that senior year color again and take it directly under my eye, all under there, all under. Use October, November, December, which is the scene from when Bella was sitting in the chair when Edward was gone. If you know, you know. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera. Essentially, I am going to touch up my blush and do my lips and then put on some lashes, and then that's it. I'll be right back.
And there you have it, guys. Creating a look using the Colourpop's New Moon palette. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about the look and if this is a palette that you guys are going to pick up. See you next time.